Alright, here's the remote for the master bedroom. Look on the back, it's got my number if you need help. Oops. There's a light button on the side. If you touch the light button, that wakes up the remote control.
Gotcha.
And it actually lights up all these buttons. So we want to hit the main button. If you're starting out for the first time in the day, you just hit the power on button, and that's going to turn the power onto the television. And if it was powered off before with the remote control, it'll start up on the dish. In our case, we had it on already, and so it jumped to the dish network, but the Apple TV still shows up on the television right now. That's part of it's because we're real close to the TV as well. So if I hit Apple TV, that'll switch over the audio and the video on the receiver that's in this room to the Apple TV, and that's what shows on the screen. I've got a button down here for TV power, and that would be, you'd use that if you had some music started up in here and you don't want to see the display on the television, so save a little bit of power. Just hit the TV power button and that turns the TV off. You can hit that same button to turn it back on with. The other device we've got in the master bedroom is the iPod. So if you press that button, on the front of the amplifier we've got a USB cord that you can plug into, and that will connect to your iPod. And then if you touch this button right here, it says iPod, iPhone Direct Control, then you can, instead of having it where you have to have some goofy remote and punch through all this stuff, you can just hit this and then run your iPod or iPhone to select what it is that you want to run. And that is a quick last thing, almost forgot. So we want to, at the end of it, hit the system off button while you're pointing it toward the television, and it sends out a bunch of different commands. But the last one is to turn this amplifier off. So you want to point it toward the television until you see that amplifier click off. And now everything is off in here.
Good. All right.